I'm MB, I'm here. I use 4 kinds sensation: vision, auditory, olfactory, somatosensory to keep the home safety. I can feel rotating body and eye to see every corner of home. Moreover, I can recognize the family member's space to achieve the function of anti-theft and stand guard at night. I am sensitive to air quality, temperature, brightness. In case of fire, can inform the owner in time. In addition, I can take care of your elderly parents, use remote control appliance, or contact you. Let's create intelligent, safe lives together.